Come brave the adventures with us as we explore something different today, a defunct theme park and one of Rob's most favourite places to visit as a child. But whereabouts are we? And is there anything left for us to explore and find? Come with us and let's find out.
Sitting proudly on top of a small hill overlooking Scarborough's beautiful North Bay was Mr. Marvel's, an American-themed amusement park. The site was previously home to Scarborough Zoo and Marineland, and this opened to the public in 1969. When the old zoo was well past its sell-by date, the animals were rehomed and the small existing amusement park was extended to include an American street and a number of new attractions, and Mr. Marvel's opened to the public in 1987. Due to the unique location of the park, there were two cable cars that provided access to the top of the hill. The original from the zoo days that ran between the park and the beach, close to where the Sea Life Centre is today, and one added later which carried guests from Burniston Road opposite P-Zone Park. When at the top, visitors would be greeted by a bright and vibrant park which included two roller coasters, a ghost train, 3D cinema and many flat rides. There was a dark ride added some years later called Journey to the Underworld, and there was also a dinosaur land complete with model dinosaurs and giant volcanoes which were originally an attraction back in the zoo days. The park sadly closed in 2002, and whilst initially there were plans to redevelop the park, none of these plans came to life and the park remains abandoned to this day. As you can see, the park is in a very sorry state and it has in the main been reclaimed by nature. The supports and some of the mechanisms from the two chairlifts remain, but there is very little else and the whole area is looking very sad. Mr. Marvel's is one of three attractions lost from Scarborough's North Bay over the last 2 decades, the others being Atlantis Water Park, previously known as Water Splash World, and Kinderland. This was a massive adventure playground which was hugely popular. Whilst the open air theatre and stunning P-Zone Park remain, it would be amazing to have an amusement park again here, but it looks like this sadly will never be the case. Did you ever visit Mr. Marvel's or any of the other defunct North Bay attractions? If so, let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching.